Hi, Prisha.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. Uh, okay. So last time we were discussing a topic that was related to maths, right? So let's move ahead with the same topic. Before we move, let me see that how you've done in homework. Did you find any doubt in solving questions?
No.
All questions were easier for you to solve?
Yeah.
Okay, then there's no issue. So let's move ahead with our part that we were left with. So let me just drag you to the presentation. Yeah. So, can you see my screen?
Yes.
So we were talking about perimeter, area, and volume. I hope whatever we covered you remembered. Till what topic we have covered? Do you remember that?
Area.
Area,
Area.
yeah. Perimeter, area. Can you give me the theory, like what a perimeter is?
So, when you say theory, the definition of perimeter.
Yeah, yes,
So, a perimeter is when a boundary or a line of an outer or something, like the boundary of the playground. There's like normally a fence around it. Like it's normally something to do with a fence or a color of a wall or something like that, like a boundary or something.
true. Okay, so let's move. And what is an area?
So, and an area is when it's the inside part of the room, or it's normally a room of the whatever you have,
It is
like
measured
the
mm,
inside surface.
inside surface, correct? And it is measured in square unit, right?
Yeah.
So it can also be seen as that how many squares can be fitted, how many squares can we can fit into that surface, like, and that would be the area, the total number of squares having one unit, right? And we also understood the area of this triangle. You remember that?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, till here we covered this till this question. Was this question clear to you?
Yeah.
Now let us talk from here. What proportion of this rectangle has been shaded? So, we see this is kind of, yeah, rectangle. Under this we have triangle, right? What portion of this
Mhm.
rectangle has been shaded? So we see a triangle here, but that triangle is not right angle triangle. So we have kept a line from our side. Do you see that? Okay.
Yep.
Yes. Do you know why we have kept this line? So that,
Yes.
yes, tell me.
So that one triangle can be split into two triangles, so that they're right angle triangle, and we can find the perimeter or the
Yes,
area or whatever area.
right. Yes. That's why we have kept it here so that our work may become
Yeah.
easy. Yes. So now you already see that how we have been calculating it. Like the area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2, 8 into 4, that is 16 centimeters squared. So there is no you see like two triangles, but what I observe here, just try to get it. Mm. What do we need to find area of a triangle? We need base and we need what?
Height.
Height. So this is already a triangle, but this was something which where we could not find it right angle triangle. But I told you that formula can only be applied on right angle triangle, right? So so this is 8 centimeter we have, and this is 4 centimeter we have. But this part, this much part cannot be measured with that formula because it was not telling the height. This is not the height, but this is curved. Like,
1 second.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I don't really understand how to solve.
yeah. What are you saying?
I don't really understand how to solve this question.
That's what I'm trying to make you understand. So you are saying that we have broken it into two parts. So this is A, this is B. That's what you mean, right? You
Yes.
understood in this way. But if we are doing it mm, breaking in two categories, even that the answer would be same. But we need not to break it. Firstly, okay, let's break it. Let's go with your approach. Okay. So what it would become like this is 8 centimeter, and we do not know what is the length of this. Do you know the length?
No.
So that is the problem. Okay.
Is it
Yes.
two?
How can you be so sure? Because um, yes, this can be two. That's correct. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, so let's write two. Okay. So this part is two. Very good. Now what about this part? Can you tell me what is the length of this part?
Um.
One,
Six.
two, three, four, five, six. Okay, six, correct. And this part we already know that is 4 centimeter, right? In both of the cases. So what would be area for this part? Area of A, tell me. Half into,
Area.
half into.
It is four.
Yeah, it is four. Correct. Area of B,
Area of B is 12.
area of B is 12. Correct. So now add both of them. Area of A and area of B. Yeah.
16. 16.
Isn't it is equal to our answer?
Yeah.
So now you may understand. So instead of breaking it into two category, we can do it all together once we find the height. And we were able to find the height keeping this perpendicular line. This is called perpendicular. I told you in, I guess, some of the classes, right?
Yeah.
So this perpendicular we kept. So this is the height. This is equal to this side, right? That's
Mm-hmm.
why we did not apply that method because this will take longer to solve the problem. Did you understand that? Because
Mm-hmm.
ultimately it is same as 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. That's why we have done it directly. I hope you understood it now. You could
Mm,
solve it in this way, but it would take a bit longer, right?
mm,
Yes. Shall we move ahead?
yeah.
So the area of any triangle can be found using the formula half into base into perpendicular height. Now we are saying it perpendicular height because some of the triangle may not have perpendicular height as seen in the figure, because all triangles cannot be seen directly as right angle triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
As right angle triangle has height like the perpendicular line, but if it is not visible, you need to draw a imaginary perpendicular line, that is perpendicular height. That's what we have done
But
in.
so, could I have the pen?
Okay, I know, like you are going to create some of the triangle which may not have possibility of making
No, no,
perpendicular.
I
Yeah,
was. So, it doesn't matter.
yeah. I allowed you to, right? What happened, Prisha?
Hello?
Yeah, what happened? Yes, am I audible to you? What happened?
Yeah, okay. So, what if this was the same triangle? Like, like that? Yeah, like that. Like that. But, and this is a line. But, and this is 5. And let's say the base is 6. And, the height, like this one, is 8. So how are you supposed to, find what this is?
Good question. Okay, once show it again.
Oh, how do I draw it again?
Okay, no problem. Let me write it here. You mean to say, like, you mean to say, this is 7,
I drew it.
right? Okay,
Yeah.
7,
Oh,
7, and you mean to say this is something like, let's say 6, and
yeah.
this is 8, something like that. You mean to say,
Yes.
and now you want to know that how we can find this perpendicular, right?
Mhm.
See, like if we are
Mhm.
unable to find the perpendicular, then the formula cannot be applied. This formula cannot be applied. Even though we have some techniques like that is called Pythagoras theorem that may be applied, but when two sides are known, like this, let's say this is A, this to be B, C, and D. So this is triangle A, this is triangle B. Did you ever hear about Pythagoras theorem?
No.
Okay. This question would be part of our topic and coming slides. This is kind of advanced mathematics. Okay. So that you'll be understanding in
Okay.
coming time when we will be talking about Pythagoras theorem, if this is part of your syllabus.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
for now we can move with this thing. There is another formula as well that is called Heron's formula that can also be applied to find such triangles area. We'll talk about it when needed. Okay. So that will have
Mhm.
a more diverse concepts. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's move with this. So for now we have understood that if a triangle is not having a perpendicular height directly seen in the image, we'll draw imaginary line. Is that clear to you?
Yeah, but
Imaginary,
how are you supposed to find it?
sorry.
How are you supposed to find it if you don't know what the thing is?
If we are having, yes, that's what I mean. If we are having a triangle, like now what we are doing, sorry, we are doing everything on rectangle. If we are able to draw the rectangle, then we are able to find the height. If we are not able to find height, we will go through different approach. That's what I told you. Like either we can go with Pythagoras theorem, right? Or we can go with Heron's formula. But for now, we have to understand to find a perpendicular height, we have to draw an imaginary line that is perpendicular height, perpendicular, right?
Okay.
And
Mhm.
then you with the help of rectangle you may find their height. But if it is not possible in that scenario, we'll go with some other method, right? So that's what we'll be looking in more advanced mathematics. Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, this is okay. For now this will work, but we'll understand it more clearly. Okay, this will work for now.
Yeah.
Okay, next. So like you have seen here, this one. What is the area of this triangle?
I
So,
can't even see it.
can't you see this? Is this visible now? Prisha, am I audible? What happened? Am I audible to you? Prisha,
Yes.
is it visible now?
Yeah. Did I leave the call?
Yeah. Are you having network issue?
No, it was because I joined a different type of link that I've never joined. So there was different features. So I pressed the thingy, and then just something happened.
Okay. So, what is the area of this triangle? Look, what we are going to do, we are making it somehow with perpendicular. So, this is what we have come through. So, it is being driven in this way. You see that those lines, and it is given like this is 6 centimeter, and this thing is 7 centimeter. Yeah, what are you doing? So,
This side 6 and this side 7.
hmm, hmm. This is 6 centimeters. Somehow we are able to find the height. Okay. In this question, it is seen. So this imaginary perpendicular gives the height of 6 centimeter, but the baseline is only 7 centimeter. Do you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll have this as 1 upon 2 half into base into height. So that would be half into 7 into 6. That is equal to 21. Right?
So how do you solve this?
How do we solve this? This is easy.
No, no. How do you do it? Like your method of doing it.
I didn't understand your question.
So how do you solve it? I solve it in a different way. I just want to know how you solve it.
Okay. This is like this. So now 7 threes are 21.
Oh,
What was your method?
so if I do it like 7 times 6, 42, divided by 2, I can just do it normally 21.
Oh, it's so long. This is easy, right?
Mm, I think my way is easier.
Firstly, this large number, and then you are dividing it by 2.
But I don't have to do that because I already know it.
Okay, then that's okay. All right. So next here, the area of any parallelogram can be found using the formula. See here, this is parallelogram. Yeah. So parallelogram means what? Base into perpendicular height. So there are 4 sides of a parallelogram. Can you see that image?
Yes.
This is called parallelogram. Okay.
Uh-huh.
This isn't rectangle. First of all, we need to
Yeah. It's a
recognize that.
tilted rectangle.
Yes, tilted. So we may call it parallelogram, but not rectangle. So area of a parallelogram is base into height. We have written here. Why? Because it is tilted and the height is required. So height will have as perpendicular height in this line. You
But
can
what is the height?
that would be given in the questions
Oh.
for now. Okay.
Hmm.
So here, what is the area of this parallelogram? This is 8 centimeter. We can ignore this side because this is the information we do not need. 8 centimeter is not needed
Why?
because 8 centimeter is not height.
Uh,
Did you understand
so
that?
left hand side is always going to be height.
It's not like that. Okay. Let me make it clear to you. It's not about left hand or right hand side. If we draw a line here, this this would be also equal to 7 centimeter, isn't it? Because this is
Hmm.
equal to this. Are you
Yeah.
okay? So it's not about left hand side or right hand side. It's about what is given in the question. So in the question, 7 centimeter is given as perpendicular height, but this is the tilted area. This is not the height, and we do not need it actually. We do not require it in the formula. Area of a
Uh,
parallelogram is base into height. So we need only just base. Base is 12 centimeter and height is 7. So we'll just multiply both of them, right?
hmm.
Did you get this?
Yes.
So you may remember what is the area of parallelogram? That is base into height, and we have
Why
uh,
is it written BH? I know this means base and this means height. What
hmm,
about the timed in the middle?
sorry, this can also be written 12 into 7.
No,
Okay.
yes, but when written BH like this, doesn't it need the multiplication symbol in the middle?
Oh, okay. Good
Because you
question.
can't, if you want to do 7 times 12, you can't just write 7.
No, 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 that's correct. This is the problem which you raised in front of me now. This is called algebraic algebraic expression. When we are multiplying,
But
uh,
that's only in brackets. If there's something in the bracket and it's written outside, that's when
no,
you
no,
multiply.
no. Listen to me. When we have something like letters of English like literal data, generally it is written with literal data. So we may write either like B into H like this, okay, or we can write it like B into H like this, a dot, or we can write also BH. So this is very common. This is very common when dealing with literal data. Okay, so this is
What
B.
about this one?
Yes. No, no, no. This is not generally used. In mathematics, it is not being used, but yes, in computing, it is used. This is
Oh,
used in computing. Okay.
yep,
Okay. So BH. Got it?
yep.
You may tell me what is area of parallelogram?
Area of
Parallelogram.
B into height, base into height.
Okay. Now, area of any trapezium can be found using the formula half, think, sum of parallel sides. Half sum of parallel sides and height. Now, what is parallel sides? Do you know what do I mean by parallel?
Yeah,
Yes, what is that? Yes, right. Yes.
it
It means
means like really straight lines that go across each other, and they don't go like that.
they would never cross each other. That is,
Yes, they go like this,
hmm.
Li-
So
like um, like this example.
yes. So in this figure, we see A and B as perpendicular. Sorry, B as parallel. Is that true? A and B is parallel.
No,
Why? A and
because
B.
this one is long and this one is short.
It's not about long or short. It's about not being tilted.
Okay, so it can't be this because then they're gonna go fatter and fatter and fatter.
Yeah, and it would also cross at some level when you do that.
What? No, we
Yes,
would never cross. It
it
would
would.
just keep on going straight and straight and straight and
No, no,
straight and
no.
straight.
Look here.
Uh, but it's not gonna go backwards.
Hmm.
We're just gonna go.
When we extend, we have to see in the same way. When we extend the line, then it will cross.
Okay,
But no matter how long you extend A and B, it would never cross. You may
okay.
try, right?
So there's no parallel lines.
Yes. So these tilted lines are not parallel lines, but A and B are parallel. True?
Yes. So the answer would be 1/2 of 2 times by height.
No, no, no. It's not like that. No, 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 no. Why two times height? This is firstly A and B. We have to add them. First thing, sum of parallel sides, then into height. So parallel side A plus B now. Look, this is the formula now.
Oh,
Why? Half multiplied with A plus B, and then there is no symbol, so it means what? Multiplication, right?
yeah.
I just explained it earlier. So half into A plus B into H height. Did you get that?
Yeah.
So what is the formula of area of trapezium?
1/2. No, wait. Yeah, 1/2 sum of all parallel lines,
Hmm.
sides, and height plus height times by height.
Okay, great.
But how am I supposed to remember all of the methods?
Good question. Um, so this is something which I'm trying to put in front of you so that you may not miss any question in the exam. But as per I have seen in your GL exam do not ask more advanced question as I have gone through. But if it may ask, that's why I'm telling you these things to just make you understand. And if you forget the formula, the only way to get that is just to observe and to understand, or another way is to just remember the formulas by quick revision. You may use flashcard and all. Sorry.
You can split up the shape. Like, if this is a square, and I forgot what square was, but I remember triangle, I can just do that. Find this, and add them together.
Hmm. That can be used as well, but that would be long method in that case. Yes,
Yeah.
for um, knowing the concept, you can go with that. But we
Yes.
do not have that much time in exam. That's why we have to go with formula, right?
Mhm.
We need to observe formula so that we can save our time. Simple logic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the area of this trapezium? Just observe it, how it is being solved.
Actually, no. Is that right?
You forgot something. We have to find the sum of both parallel sides and then multiply.
Hmm?
What are parallel
32.
sides? Hmm, yeah, right. Yeah.
So that would be.
Wait. 14 plus 6 is equal to 22 or 20?
Oh. So this is going to be 180, and this is equal to 90. Mm-hmm.
Were you able to observe this problem?
Wait, this is actually easy.
Yeah.
The E word.
Okay. So anything, any kind of trapezium is shown to you. The first thing is needed. You need to spot the parallel lines, two parallel lines, right?
Yeah.
And second thing to spot is you need to find the height, perpendicular height. And then you may go with the formula, right?
Yep.
Observe this and let me know how you are approaching this question.
Mm-hmm. Mm, so, $66.
Yeah. Why are you taking so long to solve this problem? This is quite easy here. I don't know why do you multiply both of the numbers. That takes long. You can directly divide the number which is possibly to be divided. Like 12 can be divided by 2 easily. 12 can't be divided by 2. Can't it be? Let me know.
No,
I'm asking you this number 12. Can it not be divided by 2?
it can.
So you can use that method. That is more easy. 2, 6 are 12. 6 times 2.
Oh,
Just use that method.
so,
I want you to solve with that method. So isn't it an easy approach?
yeah.
So try to go with this approach next time, okay?
Mm.
Okay. This diagram shows a yellow square inside a blue square. What is the area of the yellow square? Good question. Now observe this and just let me know what is happening here.
Um. So I don't know.
You are unable to get it?
Mm-mm.
Now read this.
We can work out. We can work this out by subtracting the area of the four blue triangles from the area of the whole blue square. If the height of each blue triangle is 7 centimeters, then the base is 3 centimeters.
Yeah,
Area of each blue triangle.
yeah. What does it say? What does it say? It says if the height of each blue triangle, what is the height? Height of each blue triangle is
7.
7 centimeter. Triangle, can you see the triangle? Can you observe that triangle here? Yes. It is said, hmm, if the height of each blue triangle is 7 centimeter, then the base is 3 centimeter, right?
Yep, yep.
Great. So that's how we can observe it. So area of each blue triangle would be what?
21.
21. Right. So this is the first step. We got it. Now there are four blue triangles, isn't it?
Yep.
So that's what we got. Now just observe. We got the data in to decimal. Like half of 21 is equal to 10 and half, right?
Yep.
Yes. So now 4 into 10 into half is equal to 42. Is that true? That's easy. 4 times 10 is equal to 20. Sorry,
40.
40, 40. And half. 4 times half is equal to 2, right?
Mhm.
That's easy. Did you understand this approach?
Yes.
Okay. So 4 triangles area is equal to 42 centimeter square,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yep.
So area of blue square is now area of blue square. Now listen to me very carefully. So we see like all the sides. Now we are talking about whole. Like all the sides are 10 centimeter. Is that true or not?
Ye- Yes.
So the complete area of blue square would be equal to what? Because this is square, side into side, right?
Yeah, but well,
Yeah,
I'm confused.
you're confused?
Yeah.
Okay, once again, it's not that much difficult. Okay, wait a moment. So see, this is A, B, C, and D. Okay, this would only like we will find the area of this much. Okay, we'll find the area of this much. Okay, and we'll find the area of this much. First thing we have done this. Is this clear to you till here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the half we have done, not the complete question. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the area of only this, like four triangles. But now what we are trying to do, because we have to find the area of this one, this yellow
Yeah.
square. So firstly, we have to find area of this triangular shape, right? And then we have to find the complete area of this square, and we will subtract this area of four triangle out of this complete
Oh,
part. Then
Okay.
the remaining part would be the area of this yellow square. Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Yes, that's how we have done. So we have found firstly the area of four triangles, right? Outer external part, and then we found area of blue square, that is 100, and then we have subtracted. So the remaining area is 58 centimeters squared. Did you get this now?
Kind of, yeah. But
Kind of.
I didn't see that
Yeah,
the like that this shape, and this shape,
yeah,
they're all the same shapes, just with different orientation.
yeah. You couldn't see it earlier, right?
No, yeah.
You could see it earlier, like if you could observe this side, like this is given.
I thought they were different ones, so I had to find each one of them, then subtract.
No, they are not different ones. Because why they are not different ones? Because we already know each side in a square is equal.
In a square.
Yeah, and this is a square. This
These are
this
triangles.
this is a square. The complete the blue square I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah, so
So each side in a square is equal. So this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, and this is also 10, right?
uh-huh. Yep.
A- And this data is given that this part is 3, this part is 7. So we must also understand if this is 10, so this part is 7 and this part is 3. Same like that. This part is 10, sorry, then this part is 7 and this is 3. This is 3, this is 7. Because all of the sides would be having the same orientation,
So,
same
so
length.
then that means that um this has to be 7.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Yeah, this if this is 7
Hmm.
and this is 3, that means this is 3
Hmm.
and 7, because this makes 10, this makes 10,
Hmm.
this makes 10, and this
Hmm.
this makes 10.
Yes.
So it works.
Got it?
Yep.
Right. So is there any confusion now in this question?
No.
Is it now clear or kind of clear?
7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay. One more time. Observe this. Now read this back. This from we can work. How?
We can work this out by subtracting the area of the floor blue triangles from the area of the whole blue square.
What do you observe by reading this?
So, how are you my question is, how are you supposed to find the height and base of each triangle? You only need to find one to find the others, obviously, but if this is 10, how are you supposed to know if this, so for this triangle, where is the base?
This is given in the question. You can see 7 and 3. One side it is given right. One
Uh-huh.
side it is given right.
Yep.
And if something, one side given in a square, and accordingly something is subdivided in two parts, then all the sides would be having this equal length because this is square. And the property of a square is that all the sides are equally distributed.
Okay.
That's how we found 3 and 7 ratio.
Yeah.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure or not?
Yes.
Okay. You should know the following formula now. Let's revise it. Area of a triangle is equal to
1/2 into B base into H.
area of a parallelogram,
Height into base.
area of trapezium,
1/2 sides of
Some, some,
parallels,
sum of side,
sum of
some,
parallels
yeah, sum of parallel sides.
times and then times by height.
Correct. Take a screenshot of it.
Mm. And click.
Okay. Okay. So using units in formula. So now we have this much. Um, Remember when using formula, we must make sure that what is it written? Read it.
What does this mean?
Which word? Wait a minute. Formula. You don't know formula?
No.
I just ask, okay, that AE,
Yeah.
that is same as formula FORMULA. Okay? Okay. So remember when using formula, we must make sure that all values are written in the same units.
Yep.
Okay.
For
So
example.
for example, centimeter and millimeter, this is different unit. Meter is different unit, right?
Hmm?
So
So I
this
need to
can,
convert them all into one.
yes, great. Because this would not work because that they are in
Yeah.
different units, right?
Hmm.
So you can see like conversion has been made here. 518 millimeter is equal to 51.8 centimeter. Because,
So
yeah,
would you convert them first or after? Because what I would do is find the answer, and let's say the answer was 76 cent, then I would just add the centimeter. Like if that was the answer, then I would just convert these two into that.
actually we have three different units. It could
Yeah.
work if it could work when all the units would have been same. For let's say units would have been into meter and answer would have been given in the options into centimeter. Then at the end we could convert. But it is not possible because there are three different units. So we have to firstly convert and then we can find the answer. If, otherwise, if we are solving it in this way, we'll get corrupted data.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to get unified unit that is the same unit.
Same unit, yeah.
Yes. So that's why we have written like 518 is equal to 51.8 centimeter. It is divided by 10.
Yeah.
Why? Yeah, because 1 centimeter is equal to,
10 millimeters.
yes, and this is multiplied by 100 because 1 meter is equal to,
100 centimeters.
correct. So that's how we have found. Now this has become easier for us.
Yeah.
So now you can easily solve it because you already know the formula, right?
Yeah. But I can't remember the formulas. I only know square, area and perimeter, rectangle, area and perimeter, triangle, perimeter, and like this type of triangle, and then right angle triangle. I can't draw that. Right angle triangle. Um,
Ah,
nothing.
hmm. Half into base into height, right
Oh
angle
yeah.
triangle. Yeah.
And I know
Trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to what?
yeah, it's really remember.
Area of trapezium is equal to what?
Um, 1/2 into height. I mean, into sum of all the
Not all.
into height.
Sum of
All of
parallel
the parallels.
parallel sides into height. Great. And there are only two parallel sides because
Yes.
there are completely four sides. Two sides are not parallel, right? But
Why can't there just be one formula for all of the shapes?
when I was a student, I had the same question.
Oh. Okay.
But concept can be driven, like, yeah, that may work when you draw a rectangle and you may try to find the concepts. Here you can see a rectangle, imaginary rectangle.
No.
Imaginary rectangle, I mean, like, if you forget the formula, you may find it in this way,
Yeah.
right? If you forget the formula somehow, we are unable to recognize, then this can work because we know already height is this. This is the
Yeah.
height. So this would be like 51.8. And this is uh, 1.2 completely, right? We already know that. So that may work, but that will take a bit longer. Okay. If you,
So this is not a parallelogram. This is not a parallelogram. I mean, this is not parallel. This is parallel.
yeah, okay.
Mhm.
So just this one you must remember in trapezium. The formula is to be remembered because we need to do fast calculation. So
Yeah.
that, so the trapezium has half into sum of both sides and into then height. Okay. Okay. Now let us take water. Yeah. So parameter, area, both things are clear now. Okay. If you
Mhm.
have any question related to parameter or area, now in your mind you may ask.
No.
Okay. So now comes the third part, that is surface area. Let us understand what is a surface area. To find surface area of a shape, we calculate the total area of all the faces. Now, this is something I would ask, is this 2D image or 3D image? Two-dimensional or three-dimensional?
Three-dimensional.
Yes. So surface area and volume is generally found in three-dimensional image. Okay. So let me work like this shape you can see already, but okay, let me give you another example. Where is the box? Okay, wait, I'm coming. So you see this, wait a moment, this is the box. Okay,
Uh
this
huh.
is the box.
Mhm.
And what we are having here, um, this box is like this. Okay, and this this surface and this surface, the bottom one, top one and the bottom one. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So all the faces, like this face, this face, this face, and this face.
Yeah.
If we find the area of all this surface, okay, except the top and the bottom, then this would be called surface area only. Okay.
Wait, can you explain again?
Okay. This is a box we see, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is the top surface area.
Yes.
This one is top surface area,
Mhm.
and this one is bottom surface area. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. It's something like your room. You can see four walls, and then that
Rooftop.
roof, and then floor, right?
Yeah.
So these four walls are to be found. The area of these four walls. It means four faces, right?
Yeah.
But the top face and the bottom face, we do not find the area of them.
Oh.
Okay. So this is called,
So
yeah.
if it was a if it was like a
Yeah,
cylinder.
I have example. This is like,
Yeah.
so let me just remove this cover and this. So this part, top part, and this part we would not include. So we will just find this surface area of this, right? Okay,
Uh,
let me make you clear by another example. Wait a moment. So this is the paper, right? You see the paper,
yeah.
and now I'm just folding it in such a way so it may become a cylinder. So I'm just folding it. I just try to fold it to make a cylinder. Okay, this how. Okay, are you
Mhm.
getting my point? So this has
Yeah.
become now cylindrical. Okay,
Mhm.
but
Yep.
we must remember this must join here.
Mhm.
Okay, directly. So the area of this, the surface, total surface area for this cylinder
Mhm.
would be equal to this total surface, because
Oh.
we have just folded it, and we do
Yeah.
not
Yes.
do not need top and bottom, right?
Mhm.
Just this,
Why?
because we are finding surface area,
Oh.
not the
But I
volume.
thought this
Yeah,
this is the main this is the main surface. The top part and the bottom part.
no, right now we are not finding that. We will find that in volumes. Okay, total
Mhm.
surface area will find, but now we are only finding surface area. Like, okay, so surface area does not have top face and bottom face. Are you getting that?
Mhm.
Okay, good, very good. I hope it worked with you, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so now let us understand it in picture. Now you can easily understand picture since you have seen the demonstration. So in picture, what you see, like that blue part, like sky blue, that is top face and that the bottom face. And then we are having four sides, four faces as walls, right?
Mhm.
Are you able to observe in the image? The top face like
Yes.
sky blue and bottom face is sky blue. So
Uh-huh.
a cuboid, this is the image of cuboid. A cuboid has six faces. True?
Yep.
The top and bottom of the cuboid have the same area. Is that true?
What did you say?
Here, the top and bottom of the cuboid have the same area
Yes.
because both of them are equal, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what we have understood so far.
But shouldn't it be if if this and this look the same, like they are the same, and this, 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 and this, these sides, they also look the same.
Yeah.
Shouldn't we not be doing
Mhm.
anything with this as well?
Yeah, true. It can happen in a square cuboid, but this is also cuboid. It may not happen with this because this and this both are same, but
Yeah,
this is not
yeah,
equal to this side, right? This is not equal to this side. Are you getting my point?
yeah. But that's not a cuboid.
Hmm. You got my point correctly. So this is the cuboid which has all the sides equal. That's why it is happening in that case. But
Oh,
something in this shape may not work in the same line, right? Okay,
uh-huh.
so now we see a cuboid has six faces, and the front and the back of the cuboid have the same area, like this one and this one. Okay, this one would be equal because this is facing both sides. Okay,
Yeah, but
and
shouldn't this be equal as well? And the bottom.
that is not necessary in all the cases.
Oh,
This is necessary in the case when we are having a cuboid having the same area of face.
uh-huh.
Okay,
Yep.
but the faces which are facing each other, they will be 100% equal. Okay,
Okay. Yes.
So the left hand side and
Yes,
the right
yes.
hand, that would be also equal. Okay.
Three different ways.
So now see once again. 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So we have three sides. I mean, not three sides, but three measurement unit.
Lengths, yeah.
Yes, three dimension we can call it. So can you tell me? Okay, let me ask you the questions. Let's name it first, okay? Then it will help you to understand. So let's say this is A and this is B and this is C, this is D, this is
E.
E, and this is F, and this is G. And something is hidden. This is this. Do you understand what is this now?
No.
Yeah. That side. This is H. The face that side. The four corners this side, and one is hidden that side. No, you can't observe that. Okay.
Oh,
Did you observe
yeah.
that?
It's like this.
Yeah. Hmm. So can you tell me like what would be CD equal to? CD is equal to what?
C
CD is equal to
and
what?
vertices.
CD is equal to what? What is the measurement of C? D.
What do you like? How do I find that out?
Because this is 7 centimeter. Won't it be 7 centimeter?
Oh yeah. Right. Yes. So this
So
is 7 centimeters.
yes,
That means C and F are 8 centimeters.
AB is equal to CD, this one, and this is also equal to this, isn't it?
Yes, F and
F,
E.
F and E, and this is also equal to what? Something else?
F and E
G
are equal
and
to G and F.
yes, G, yes, very good.
And G and F are equal to B and C.
Very good. Anything else?
B and C is equivalent to A and D.
Great. Lovely. Wonderful.
And A and D is equivalent to H and E.
Right. Great.
And then H and E is equivalent to H and A.
Hmm, nice. Good.
No.
So you were able to observe all of them, right?
Yeah. They're all the same length of sizes.
Yeah.
So wait, if A and D are equivalent to G and F, how though?
A and D. What do you mean? A and D is equal to what?
E and D.
E and D. Okay. ED is
No, H and E. A and D. H and E.
Y H and E H H. Okay.
Since
Okay.
this is like that and this is like that.
Yeah, yeah. That would be equal. That would be equal H and E. Correct.
Yeah, okay. Mhm.
Okay. Now let's move. So this is what we have understood so far. Now let us move with something else and let's see that what can be else done or observed in the same line. Okay. Wait. So yeah. So here we have this um, all observation of length and width, and one more thing is added: height, length, width, and height. Three things we have
Mhm.
seen here because this is three dimensional. So of course we will be having three dimensions. So here we see length, height, and width. Can you tell
Width.
me what is length, what is height, what is width?
Length is 7,
Yeah,
width is 5,
yeah,
hi- and so height is 7,
yeah,
width is 5, and what
yeah.
was the other one?
Okay, let me write it. L,
Length,
B,
height, and width.
yeah.
So 8 is length.
Hmm.
So length is 8 centimeters. Width is 5 centimeters. And
Height.
height is 7.
Good. Great. Okay. Very good. Fine. Now see this. Can you work out the surface area of this cuboid? So the area of the top is 8 into 5,
40.
40. The area of front is 7 into 5.
35.
The area of side is 7 into 8.
Yeah.
Okay. So from this angle we see one, two, three, three faces. But we know that side also three faces are present,
Yeah.
right? So total faces, how many number of faces are there in a cuboid?
6. So what we can do is, if this
Yeah,
is 40, this is 35,
yeah,
and this is 56, we can do double
yes,
80,
yeah,
and this will be 70,
yeah,
and then this would be like that.
correct, true, good, well done. So the same thing we have done here. Let the whatever you told.
Yeah.
So we have doubled them, and at the end we will find some total.
Hmm.
So what is happening here? 80 plus 70 plus 112.
Yes. Yeah.
That is the complete total surface area,
Uh-huh.
including top and bottom. Remember
Yes,
that.
and well, I thought we were supposed to take out the top and bottom, or the front and back, or the left and right hand side. Like one of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is total surface area, not surface area only. Okay. So top and bottom. See, top and bottom is what?
Top
2
and
into
bottom.
2 into L. Is that true?
No, maybe. I don't know.
2 into L into W. Why? Let's get it. You already told me like how you may observe what is length, what is width, and what is h. W can also be sometimes referred as B, breadth. Okay, so no problem that. So W, width. This is width, this is length, this is height. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. And how do we find this face? We see, we go back to the previous way. So the area of top we found like 8 into 5. So this is length and this is width. Sorry,
Mm.
length. This is length
Yeah,
and
this
this is
is
width.
length and
Yes.
this is width.
Sorry, yeah. This is length, this is width. So isn't it L into what? L,
L into W.
yes, L into W. Okay, let's write it. So this is L into W. Here, L into W. Is that true?
Yes.
And this is what? This is what? Second
Which
one.
one?
Second, the
This is
area of front. 7 into 5. 7 into 5.
yeah, so it's L into W again.
L into W again.
No, it's H into W. H into W.
It's height, yes. Height into W. And what about this? The area of side one?
L into height.
L into L
Height.
into height. And what you did earlier, you said that let's double it. So isn't it
Yeah.
2? All the time 2. Are you getting my point now?
Yeah. But you
So,
can't do L into H2 or L into W2. Actually, no, it needs to be like this L2 into W2.
so the 2 is common. E-
Yes.
Even in that case, 2 is common,
But
isn't
you
it?
can even do this L into 4. I
Oh,
mean,
no,
W.
no, 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 wait. Why? Listen to me. What you are doing is you are doing it individually. Okay,
Uh,
let's try this one out. You said you need to double it. You need to double it. So it would be like 16 and then it would be 20, sorry, 10. You mean that?
No, I meant like if this is equivalent, that one is
Hmm.
equivalent to 2L into 2W.
No. If we are doing this, this will happen something else. Like this would be two elements what? 2
So
into
then it will be
8. 2 into
W into 2L.
did not understand my point. Listen to me once again with a fresh mind. The area of top is equal to 40. The area of top is equal to,
40.
then the area of bottom would be what? Area of bottom would be what?
40.
40. Then we will double both of them now.
Yeah, so then this part will be 80 because we can't draw that, so it's going to be 80. This is
80.
going to be 70, 35 plus 35, and
Yes.
56, 61, 1, 2.
So what are you doing? Initially you're doing the same thing. L into W and you are multiplying it
Oh,
by 2.
oh.
You got
So
my
the
point?
answer would be,
Yes, 80.
wait, 150. These two are 150. And then 2, 6, 2.
The concept. I'm asking about the concept. Concept is clear about 2.
Yes, now I get it. Yeah.
So that's what. That's how we found this. So 2 into L into V. This is the top and bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
And then 2 into height into width. That is front and
Front and
back.
back. And
Front,
then,
this front and back. Right?
yeah,
And this is 2 into L into H. That is left and right.
left,
Left.
right. Yes.
Okay. Now we will total them so that as you found already the total
Yeah.
surface area. So this is
Um,
what we get.
uh-huh.
So what is common here? Can you tell me?
2.
Yes. So can't we write this?
Yes, we can write that. Yeah.
So this is the formula basically.
Yes.
So mm, this is total surface area. Okay.
Uh-huh.
But what if I say we need to find only surface area in removing top and bottom? Can you tell me the formula? What would be this?
It would be, this is how it would be. Let me just write it. It would be this. So, hey, oh my God.
Top and bottom, this should not be counted. Okay.
Yes. So it's going to be this. H and W plus L and H, LH, brackets, 2.
Good. Very good. I hope it makes sense.
Yeah. Can we stop now? I'm tired.
OMG, every day. Um, yeah, we can stop it, but this concept, I just wanted to complete this concept only. 10 minutes you can give, only 10.
Okay.
So this is here. 2 length into width and 2 height into width, 2 length into height. Okay. Now see this. How can we find the surface area of a cube of length x? This is surface area of a cube that has the length x. Okay. Now that is your point. Earlier you were telling me that when the length is equal, then all the sides would be equal, right?
Well,
Okay. This is cuboid.
yes.
Okay. This is also cuboid. This. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this is not cuboid. This is cube. Do you understand what is the difference between cuboid and cube?
So, cuboid No, they look
Cuboid
exact.
cuboid has three different dimensions, but cube has the same length each side.
Can I see cuboid?
Cuboid.
Oh, so the
The
cuboid is a bit more like
785. Okay.
yeah.
And this is like, let's say, 1 1 1 1 1 1. If one side is 1, all is 1. If one side is 2, all is 2. Are you getting that?
Mhm.
Are you getting that?
No.
Okay, let me write it. Once this concept is clear, then things would be more easy in next classes. Okay, let me just make you clear. Like, let's say this is not x, this is 1. Okay, 1 meter.
Yeah.
Then this also would be equal to 1 meter. And this would also be equal to 1 meter. This would
Yep.
also be equal to 1
Yes.
meter. And this also, and this
Mhm.
also, this
Yep.
also, this also.
Yeah.
Now, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, very
Because
good.
they're the same length.
Yes, correct. True. Okay, wonderful, nice, lovely. So now we do not have it as 1, we have it as x. So if this is x, this would also be equal to
X
this is also
X X
all
X
of,
X X
yes,
X.
all of them would be x, correct.
It would be like how how many would there be? There would be like one here. Right. So there would be one. There's one here. There's one here. 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 And then two at the back. One there. And one there. So there's like one, two. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So then it would be written as 11x.
No, 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 no. One more is left.
How? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
And
And then
three
two
that
at the
side.
back.
Three that
10.
side. Three,
Well,
three, three that side. Which one that side? Okay, let
it
me show
would be
you.
10, 11, like that.
One, two, three. One. Okay, let me just try to draw it. One this side, this. Okay. One this. Okay. And one this. There would be
Oh.
three more.
So 1, 2, 3. So then it would be
12.
12.
Okay.
Yes.
But now what we need to find? All six faces of cube have the same area. The area of each face is x square, right?
Yep.
So when we add six faces, x square for one, then add it six times, right? What it would be equal to? One, two, three, four, five, six. So surface area of a cube is 6x square.
Eh, Yeah.
This is
Kind.
total surface area. But if
Uh-huh.
I ask you without this top and bottom, what would be the answer? 4x square. Are you getting how?
Yes, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's six in total because there's six sides. If
Hmm.
you take the top and bottom away, that would be take away two, which gets you four.
Yes, right. So that would be surface area. This is total surface area. Cuboid. Once again, this cuboid is made from alternate purple and green centimeter cubes.
Mm-hmm.
What is its surface area?
How many?
Observe this question. You're unable to observe?
No.
Count the squares. It is said now. Cuboid is made alternate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Tell me what is the height. Just write it here.
What is
Height.
height?
Yes, write the height. Write the height, please.
This much?
Height. L, L, sorry, with H, and this is what?
Length.
Length. This is what?
Width.
Got it? One,
Yep.
two, three, four, five.
1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three.
4, 5. One
One,
second.
two, three, four. Okay. So that's how we found it. Now the answer surface area would be what? This,
It would be
including top and bottom.
5 plus 3 plus 4 in brackets and 2, which equals to 24.
You are doing it wrong. Area is found like this: 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 4 into 5. Then we will multiply by 2, double it. If you
Oh,
forgot
so
that,
12, 15, 20 times it by 2
yeah,
times it by 2 times it by 2, add it, equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 94. Yay!
great. Now, can you explain that what is the formula if you have remembered or forgotten? You can get the formula out. Prisa,
Yeah.
now can you tell me what is the formula of this finding?
So
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the height. So the height is 5. 6, 7, 8. That means that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 4. So we've got 5 as height, 3 as length, and 4 as width. Now what we have to do is we have to do length into width first, which is 12, so 12 first. And then we have to do length into height, which is 15. Then we do plus 15. And then we have to do width plus height, which is 20. So then that means 15 plus, oh my god, 12 plus 15 plus 20. But because there's 6 sides and we've only found 3, we have to times them by 2. What? Then we have to times them by 2, which gets 15 would be 30, 12 would be 24, and 20 would be 40. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 gets you 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And then 4 plus 4 is 8, so 98.
So what is the formula? Once again, like this formula isn't included in this formula. 2LW. See here, 2LW plus 2HW plus 2LH. Didn't you follow the same formula here, right?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Wait. We have one. Okay, I know you're very tired. So this is what I just wanted to make you understand. So yeah, now let's summarize. Okay, then we'll just go. We'll leave the meeting. Don't worry. So let's summarize what we have learned today. Um, from this like cuboid to cube. In cuboid, we observed there are six faces in that as well. In cube, we observed there are six faces in that too. But what is the main difference in cuboid and cube? Can
The
you tell?
length.
The length. And faces, what about faces? In cube, all the faces would be equal or not? Cube,
Or
all equal. And in cuboid, all the two faces would be equal, facing each other. Yes, great. And what would be the area of cuboid?
area cuboid.
Yes,
I forgot.
you may try getting that. Okay, I'll show you this question, and you just may tell me what is the area of cuboid.
So L and so L and W
Yeah.
plus L and H
Mm.
plus H and W.
And now add two common two.
Yes.
Great, wonderful. That's how you could find the formula, right? This is something you need not to learn or cram because this can be understood easily, right, Trisha? This could can be easily understood, right?
You have to like remember the formula.
No, this formula can be taken like by observing this, like you have done right now. In this way, you can just
No, that would because if I know this is 5 and I know that this is 3 and I know this is 4, 3 and 4 that means L and H. 5 and 3 that means this and this. 4 and 4 means 4 and 5.
no. There is a pattern as well. L, sorry, H L W. See, what is the pattern? We whenever we see a cube or cuboid, especially this cuboid, right? So we see a pattern. What is the pattern? There are three dimensions. That is the pattern. So H L W. Is that clear? H L W, three pattern, three things are
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
right? So firstly you write H L, then you write anything like L W, then you write what is left W H. Okay, this is the pattern.
Oh. Oh
So
yeah.
this is easy, right?
Yeah.
Now can you find the formula directly by if you
Yes.
forgot that? Okay,
Yeah.
great. Okay, then let's stop our session here because you're already tired.
Mhm.
Okay, wait a moment. So where have we got? Yes, I know you're very sleepy. I'll be sharing a homework. I will take time. So perhaps till tomorrow I can share the homework because and you'll be doing some questions over it. Okay. Okay, Prisha.
Okay.
Thank you very much for taking this session. Bye. Take care and good night.
Thank you.